In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish website in Framer. By the end, you'll know the exact clicks to take a live Framer site offline safely, what the confirmation message means, and what to expect afterward. First, go to Framer in your browser and sign in to your workspace. You'll land on your projects view where each tile represents a site or project. Make sure you've identified the exact project you want to take offline, especially if you manage multiple similar sites. Unpublishing affects the live version, so a quick double check here can save headaches later. Next, look for the highlighted control on the project tile. Depending on your view, this is typically the project's options menu. Click that highlighted area to open the project actions. If you're working in a team space, you'll see options that control how the project appears and whether it's live. The one we want is Archive. Click Archive. Framer uses archiving as the action that unpublishes a website. When you choose Archive, Framer prepares to move the project out of your active list and take the site offline. This is the right choice when you want the live URL to stop serving your content without permanently deleting your work. You'll now see a confirmation explaining what will happen, usually starting with a line like, "This will move the project to archive." Read this carefully. The dialog is there to make sure you understand that the site will no longer be live, and any connected domain or Framer subdomain will stop showing the published pages. Your project files remain intact, but visitors will no longer reach your site at that URL. To proceed, click Archive Project. That's the confirmation that finalizes the unpublish action. Framer will move the project into your archive and unpublish the site. Give it a moment. Changes on the live URL can take a little time to propagate. If you were using a custom domain, visitors may briefly see a not found page or your domain provider's default screen while everything updates. This is normal. A few quick tips as this completes. Archiving is reversible. If you ever need the site back online, you can restore the project from the archive and publish again. Also, if you collaborate with others, let your team know you've archived the project so they're not surprised when the live site goes offline. Finally, keep in mind that analytics tools may stop receiving data once the site is unpublished. That's it. You went to Framer, opened the project's highlighted options, selected Archive, reviewed the confirmation, and clicked Archive